Hi, I'm Dr. Selena Niehaus, board-certified podiatrist here at Bayshore Podiatry Center. If you've ever been embarrassed by the appearance of a toenail due to fungus, maybe some trauma to the nail or damage, I want to tell you about a cosmetic treatment that we offer called KeryFlex Nail Restoration. What is KeryFlex? KeryFlex is a medical-grade cosmetic nail restoration system that allows us to rebuild the appearance of a natural-looking toenail. It doesn't treat nail fungus itself, but it dramatically improves how the nail looks, often in the same visit. It's especially helpful for nails that are thick or discolored from fungus, broken or partially missing from trauma, irregular or rigid in shape, or that just don't look normal. KeryFlex is for patients who want their nails to look better right away, whether that's for everyday confidence, a special event, or just feeling more comfortable wearing sandals. It can be done on most patients, even if you still have active nail fungus. In fact, we often combine KeryFlex with medical treatments like topical antifungal medications and laser therapy to address both the appearance and the underlying condition. The appointment is quick and completely painless. First, we trim and gently prepare the nail. Then we apply layers of a flexible resin that is shaped to match your natural nail. It's cured with a special light, and then it's smoothed and polished. The result is a nail that looks natural and can be polished just like a normal toenail. KeryFlex is not permanent. It grows out with your natural nail. Most patients get anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks of wear before it needs to be refreshed or redone, depending on your activity level, your shoe gear, and your nail growth. We recommend maintenance visits every 3 to 4 months if you'd like to keep the nails looking their best long term. You might be asking, can I use nail polish, go to the beach, work out? Yes. Once the resin is fully cured, you can apply regular nail polish, you can wear sandals at the beach, you can shower, swim, and exercise all as you would normally. The material is flexible and it's designed to move with the nail itself, so it's very durable for everyday activities. KeryFlex is considered a cosmetic service, so it's not covered by insurance. However, many patients feel it's worth it for the immediate improvement in appearance and the confidence boost that they get from the procedure. Our team can go over pricing and maintenance options with you at your visit. One important thing to understand is that KeryFlex does not cure nail fungus. If nail fungus is present, we strongly recommend pairing this with medical treatments such as topical medications, laser therapy, or oral medication when it's appropriate. Our goal is not just to make the nail look better, but to help it grow in healthier over time. If you're interested in KeryFlex or you want to know if you're a good candidate, we'd be happy to evaluate your nails and discuss your options. You can request an appointment online or call our office to schedule. We'll help you come up with a plan that fits both your cosmetic goals and your overall foot health.